friends, and welcome to Mr. B's Buzz for today's wonderful sing-along. We celebrate the Earth, this beautiful planet that we live on, that cares for us, that gives us food and shelter and just life, kind of like a mother does, and takes good care of her children. We are the Earth's children, my friends, and today's song honors that and celebrates the earth. Now, this song is called "The Earth is Our Mother," and it's an old song dating way back to the Native Americans, the first people on this land who would sing this song and respect the earth. Every single day we can respect the earth. So let's get to singing. If you want to grab some drums, some shakers, make sure you turn on that voice of yours and let's sing it. You ready? Let's do it. Ta-da! Nice! Ready, my friends? Let's do it. Make a beat. All right. The earth is our mother. The sky is our father. The river is our sister. The forest is our brother. We are part of the earth family. Here we go. The earth is our mother. We must take care of her. The earth is our mother. We must take care of her. Sing it. Hey! Yana ho, yana he, yan yan. Hey! Yana ho, yana he, yan yan. You sing it. Hey! Yana ho, yana he, yan yan. Hey! Yana ho, yana he, yan yan. The sky is our father. We must take care of him. The sky is our father. We must take care of him. You know it, sing it. Hey! Yana ho, yana he, yan yan. 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 What's the next one? The river is like our sister. The river is our sister. We must take care of her. The river is our sister. We must take care of her. Sing it, you know it. Hey! Yana ho, yana he, yan yan. 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 The forest is our brother. We must take care of him. The forest is our brother. We must take care of him. Everybody, hey! Yana ho, yana he, yan yan. 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 Now you know it, sing it with me. The earth is our mother. We must take. The earth is our mother. We must take care of her. We must take care of her. We must take care of her. Hey! Wonderful job, my friends. Isn't that an easy, beautiful, heartfelt song? Wonderful. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember to celebrate the earth every day. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you soon on Mr. B's Buzz in the Hive for another sing-along. Hey!